All right, friends, so we're going into lesson 2 of hands-on equations fractions. And in lesson 2, it's all about having constants on both sides. And here's what I mean by that. So let's let's look at the example. We have 5/6 y plus 2 equals 12. So my constants are these cubes. And in my problem, it asked me what a green equals and what a y equals, and then obviously the check. Okay, so let's look at this. If I'm going to set them up, we have 5/6. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then we have a 2, so we're going to grab our 2 cube. And then on the other side, we have 12. So we're going to go ahead and make 12 with our cubes. So this is what the side looks like. Now, if you were here for hands-on equations, then you know of our legal move. If you weren't here for hands-on equations, let's talk about it. Our legal move just means that whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other in order to balance it. For an example, if I gave you 2 cookies and I gave myself 2 cookies, we are balanced. If I take 1 from you, then I have to also take 1 from me in order to remain balanced. Because our scale is balanced, it's the same thing. So over here, I don't have any fractional pieces on the right, I only have them on the left. But I do have 2 constants as in the numbers on each side. This side I have 2, this side I have 12. So if I take off 2 from this side, I can take off 2 from this side, and we're still balanced. Did y'all see what I did there? So that's the legal move. If I take 2 from here, 2 from here, we are balanced. So now I can see that 5 triangles is equal to 10. So if 5 triangles are equal to 10, then what would 1 triangle be equal to? Well, you could try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that doesn't work. So now I'm going to try 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, that works. So 1 green is equal to 2. Now, it also asks what my y is worth. And if you remember, a y is just an entire one of these. So I'm missing 1 green in order to get me a y. So if I had all of these, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, plus 2 more. 1y equals 12. Now I look at my check, and if I plugged all of this back in, it should be the same answer on each side. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, plus 2 is 12, and then 10 and 2 is 12. So my check is 12 equals 12. Good job. All right, let's try one more. So for this one, we're going to do 3/2 y plus 4 equals 19. And I want to know what r equals.
Mr. Willis, can you please come to the front office, Officer Willis?
My apologies for that. And what y equals, and then my check. Okay, so let's set this up. I've got 3/2. So I'm going to make 3/2. One more. And then I've got a 4. And then on the other side, I have 19. Okay, so I have halves on this side, but not on this side, so I can't do the legal move there. I do have a 4 over here, and I have at least 4 on this side, so I can delete my 4. And when I do that, this becomes 15. Okay, so now I have 3 pieces that need to divide equally into 15. Well, I know I could do 5, 10, 15. So 1 red would equal to 5. Now here's the tricky part. I have 3 reds, but 1 y is only 2 reds. So 1y would equal 5, 10. Now I can move everything back to do my check. Okay. 5, 10, 15 plus 4 is 19. And 10 and 9 make 19. So 19 equals 19. And that is how you do lesson 2. Thanks, guys.